Hey everyone, welcome to our channel.
Have forgotten your Gmail password or are unable to access your Google account, you can initiate the account recovery process to regain access. And here is how to recover your Google account. So let's get started. First, open up your web browser and go to the Google account. Then simply tap on the sign in and type on the email address you want to recover of. Then proceed with the next icon. Now here you can see Google says couldn't sign you in due to different Google policies, but we can still recover your account by the further process. So go to your recent active mail and tap on the three dashboard available in the top left corner. After you tap on it, simply scroll down till you find the send feedback option inside it. After that, simply tap on send feedback. Now all you've got to do is write email to the Gmail customer support that you are not able to log into your account and you want to recover it. Then they will review it and let you know after 48 hours. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.